Maybe Sethy can go over there. Sethy, you go around that side too. Then we can show Grandpa and Nana how you open their gift.
If I lift the box
Go over there, Sethy. Yeah, go on the couch, Seth. Yeah. Do you know what it says, Sophia? Seth, you want to open it too? Do you want to open it too? What's in there, Sophia?
He got a dog.
Wow. What'd you get, Seth? Woof, woof. Do you want to show him? Show him the puppy, Sophia. Push it over towards him so he can see it. Woof, woof. There's Seth. Woof, woof.
Hey, I
Woof,
get
woof.
this.
What's in there?
A lady. A person.
Oh, neat. What do they do, I wonder? I wonder what they do. I have a feeling you put them in water. Woohoo! Hey, Sethy, what's this? What's this, Seth? What's that? What's that, Seth? Gato. Hey, Seth. Seth, what's this?
Oh, you're too little for that.
Woof, woof.
I guess that's all the treats for day.
Do you want to say thank you to Grandpa and Nana for the Valentine's Day gift?
One.
Yeah, I'll bet he does. You guys can each have a chocolate right now, okay? Don't eat that, Seth. Do you want to say thank you to Grandpa and Nana for the Valentine's Day gift? Hey, Sophia, can you look at Mommy's phone? Sophia, can you look at Mommy's phone and say thank you to Grandpa and Nana?
Thank you, Grandpa and Nana.
That's very nice. Hey, Sethy, bye-bye. Sethy. Hey, Seth. Bye-bye. This way. Look at Mommy. Well, Sethy thinks we have to run to the door now. Okay. Okay, come here, Seth.
Mom, can you help me open it?
Yeah, let's open it. You can't have that. Okay, let's open some chocolates now.